Hi, my name is Darren Rodriguez. I'm a first year in the EVIT video production program and a junior in high school, and this is my demo reel. Throughout my filmmaking journey, I have enjoyed a wide variety of roles. The role that I've enjoyed the most would probably have to be editing. I just love tinkering with beautiful video and making it even better. I love pacing. I love colors.
Ay, Dios mío!
And I love sound.
Delicioso!
Speaking of sound, you can't edit good sound without having good sound from the set. That's why I got used to operating the boom pole.
Why not here, Tatum? I mean, the guy's right.
Shut up, kid.
But it's as if I'm still stuck in a loop.
Good news, everyone. Everything's on the house.
In the future, I plan to improve on all aspects of filmmaking because there's still plenty of room to grow, as there always is.
It's okay!
Stupid loser, distracting me.
Last weekend, my dad and I each invested $10,000 in the Ford.
Unless you're scared, yo pal molasses.
That's my demo reel. Thanks for watching.